Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the data analytics options available in Excel. We will be covering the two subparts of what if analysis called scenario manager and goal seek. Then we will solve a maximization problem using the simplex linear programming method. After that, we will do regression analysis. Please note, I will not cover the technique itself, that is, I will not discuss how simplex method works or how regression works. That will be part of another series of lectures. For now, we will only look at how to apply these analyses. First of all, in this simple example, I have a shake shop selling two types of milkshakes, mango shakes and chocolate shake. Imagine I have limited quantity of milk available with me, with which I can make only 100 glasses of shakes. Now if a glass of mango shake sells for 50 and a glass of chocolate sells for 30, how many glasses of mango shake should I sell to get a revenue of 4500? Let's prepare this sheet for this analysis. First variable that I want to change is what is the percentage of milk I will be using for mango shakes. For that, I have kept a cell and marked the data type as percentage. In the next cell, I have multiplied this percentage with the total milk available. This will give me the number of mango shakes I am selling. Next is 1 minus the same thing, which will give me number of glasses of chocolate shake that I am selling. And then I am multiplying these two and adding up with the price of these so as to get the total earnings. Right now, if the percentage is 0, all I am selling is chocolate shake and every glass of chocolate shake sells for 30, so it is coming out to be 3000. Now if I change this 0% to 20, out of 100 glasses I am selling 20 glasses of mango shake, which is 1000, and 80 glasses of chocolate shake, which will come out to an earning of 2400. Overall it will give me a total earning of 3400. But what I want to calculate is what should be this percentage if I want a revenue of 4500. I can just keep on doing this hit and trial method till I get to the answer, or Excel provides me with the option of what if goal seek analysis. So let's go to data, go to what if analysis. In this, select goal seek. You see three options. One is to set the cell, which will be the 3400 value right now. To value 4500, which is my goal, by changing cell, the percentage cell that I have, and click on OK. You can see that hit and trial was done by Excel and it has reached a solution of 75%. So if I sell 75% of glasses as mango shake and 25 glasses of chocolate shake, I'll get an earning of 4500. If you do not have a particular goal in mind, you can see different values of your earnings for different values of your percentage of milk being used for different shakes. That can be done using the what if analysis scenario manager option. You go to what if analysis, click on scenario manager, you add the scenarios here. So click on add, you can give any name to the scenario. You can give a name of 10. Changing cell H9, okay, 0.10, okay. We'll add more scenarios to this, which will be 30%, 0.30, click on add, 50%, 0.50, click add here, 70%, 0.7, add 90%. Click on OK. You can see these are the 5 scenarios that we have created for different percentages of 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90. Let us see what will be our earnings. Now we'll click on summary. Result cell is our H14 cell, and now we'll click on OK. You can see there is a scenario summary with us right now. In this summary, you can see for 10%, the earnings are coming out to be 3200. For 30%, the earnings are 3600, and so on. For 90%, we have an earnings of 4800. Current value which we got with the goal seek was 4500 at 75%. So this is the what if analysis, and in which we saw for different scenarios what will be our result. This is also called scenario managing. Next, let us solve a maximization problem using the simplex method. Here, these are the three types of shakes available. I want to identify the quantity of each shake that I should produce to maximize my profit. I have the below information. Each mango shake gives me a profit margin of 50, banana shake gives me a profit margin of 30, and chocolate gives me a profit margin of 40. Whereas per glass cost of a mango shake is 40, of banana shake is 20, and chocolate shake is 50. And the storage space in some units, for a glass of mango shake I need 4 units of storage space, glass of banana shake requires 6 units of storage space, and a glass of chocolate shake requires only 2 units of storage space. These are the two constraints available with me. The total expenditure on all the three shakes should be less than 1000, which is this constraint, and the total space taken should be less than 60, which is my space budget. So the total expenditure will actually be equal to the quantity of mango shake multiplied by the cost of mango shake plus banana shake quantity multiplied by cost of banana shake, chocolate shake quantity multiplied by cost of chocolate shake. This is 0 right now because quantities are blank as of now. Similarly, for space taken, this multiplied by storage space of per glass mango shake, glasses of banana shake multiplied by per glass storage space requirement of banana shake, chocolate shake glasses multiplied by space for chocolate shakes. Both of these are 0 right now, and these should be less than their respective constraints. And the net profit will be equal to number of glasses of mango shake into profit margin per glass plus number of glasses of banana shake into profit margin plus number of glasses of chocolate shake into profit margin of chocolate. This is also 0. I want to maximize this net profit. So before using the solver, we have to add that solver option here. Solver is right now not visible here. Some of you may be able to see it if you have already added that solver add-in. We will go and add it first. Go to File, Options. There's this option of add-ins. You click Go, select the solver add-in and click on OK. You can see that the solver add-in is now added in the data menu. You click on solver. The first thing it asks you is the set objective. What do you want to achieve? So I want to get this value and I want to maximize it. So this is selected. By changing variable cells, these three are my variable cells. And what are the constraints? So I have this number less than equal to this number, add, and this number less than equal to space budget, add. Okay. So you can see that these two constraints are added. One is for the total monetary budget and the other is for the space budget. Now we will select the simplex linear programming method here and click on solve. Click OK. If you want any particular report of answer or sensitivity or limits, if you understand these, you can also select these. If you do not want these, do not select these. Click on OK, and you can see that Excel is giving me a solution that I should sell 8.33 glasses of mango shake and 13.33 glasses of chocolate shake, and this is the maximum profit under these constraints that I can get for our shop. So 950 is the maximum profit that I can get out of these constraints. Next, we will look at how to do a regression analysis. This will be a linear regression problem. The data that I have is for our shake shop, I have two types of expenditure. One is the marketing expenditure, the advertisements or the mailing or other types of marketing activities that I'm doing to promote my shake shop. And the other is the expenditure on quality control. Probably if I have a better quality of shakes, probably I'll have more revenue. So these are the two types of expenditures that I'm doing, and I'm looking at the overall sales revenue that I'm getting for different months. I want to identify which of these two are actually related to the final sales revenue and which of these two will give me more change on the sales revenue. So whether I should focus more on my marketing expenditure or more on my quality control expenditure. To do this, we need another analysis tool pack. We'll go to File, Options, Add-ins, Go, Analysis tool pack. Click on OK. You can see that there is an analysis toolpack added here. Click on this. There are various analysis methods that you can see here. We will be doing regression only right now. We select regression and click on OK. Input Y range will be our sales revenue, which is the dependent variable, which may be dependent on the marketing expenditure and quality control expenditure. For the X range, we have the independent variables, which are the marketing expenditure and the quality control expenditure. It has labels. I want output in new worksheet. Everything else is okay. Click on OK. You can see that regression output is given in a new sheet. First thing you can see is the R value. R gives us the goodness of fit. So these two expenditures are actually giving us a very good fit. There is very less variation out of this model, which this model is not able to explain. An R square value of 0.85 is actually giving us a very good fit. Next thing to observe is the significance F value. It should be less than 0.05 to have a significance value of more than 95%. Next are the coefficients. This is one of the variables, marketing expenditure. It has a coefficient of 1.2. Quality control expenditure has a coefficient of 1.7, and there is an intercept of 268. So if you multiply this with 1.2, add this value into 1.7 and then add this coefficient, this will give us the predicted value for the sales revenue. Now let us copy this coefficient and paste it here. This is the marketing coefficient. This is the quality control coefficient, and this one is the intercept. So the predicted value by our linear regression model goes like this, is equal to this into this plus this into this plus this value. You can see that the predicted value is actually very close to the sales revenue. Before extending it, remember to use dollar signs. You extend it to the bottom. You can see that most of the times it is very close to the actual value. And in the next month, if you want to predict what will be your sales revenue, given that you are spending 500 on marketing expenditure and 1000 on quality control, you'll know your sales revenue should be somewhere around 2500. Another thing that you should note is coefficient for quality control is 1.7 and coefficient for marketing expenditure is 1.2. So there is more sensitivity of sales revenue towards quality control expenditure. So if you have a budget constraint, probably you should invest more on quality control instead of marketing, which will give you more sales revenue in the end. That's all we will cover in the data analysis lecture. Next, we will look at the macros option available in Excel. Thanks.